Hello! Welcome to a table that still has a small car from a week we did, even though it was a month. We're looking at something from City Team, otherwise known as Welly, otherwise known as whatever you want to refer to it as. But for the moment, let's have a look at this. It's a microphone with weird inputs that don't fit anything that I own, so I can't test it. Yeah. Thanks, Philips. I really needed a microphone that I couldn't actually use. So that's my fault for not checking it properly. Yes, I'm going to put it over here with the MP1B so that camera also doesn't work. Look, it's a trailer. This is completely irrelevant to the video. I just wanted to show a trailer. We've had a couple of old trailers on the channel. Let's have one of the new ones that the doors don't allegedly open. Matchbox. Quality's gone downhill. Anyway, yes, we're looking at the Welly City Team set today. Now, if you remember a while ago, I covered an airport set that was very interesting, made by Welly, and these this is pretty much the same sort of thing. Oh dear, camera adjustment, there we go. Hello, Pidge, where are you? Piggles. There's his head. Now you can't see him. Yes, this is the Action Pack City Team 4-piece gift set. It cost $2.45 from Candid Cards a long time ago. Authentic details, fast freewheeling action, and die-cast metal for rescue and police, the fire depth, and the forest patrol. See? There's the fire depth. Yes. Benji is noisy. Oh, they're already coming out. This box has been sitting in a window and has gotten wet. It's very sort of, well, yeah, you can just see it's very warped. On the back, we've got the Collect Them All, the fire depth, and a police department, and an ambulance, and we'll come back to that one later, and Forest Patrol. And this is number 238W with an eagle and L. Look at the Ellie eagle. Made in China, no surprise. And on the back here at Candid Cards, this is $3.99. So it was $3.99, and then it was $2.45, and then it was about £12 on eBay. Yeah. Now, the first thing I noticed straight away is the wheel types are the, 4-pinhole ones, whereas the ones on the box are the not 4-pinhole ones. This is quite common. They did this a lot. There you go. There's some 4-pinhole ones there and regular ones there. This is quite common. Welly never seem to be able to settle on something or anything. Ooh. Oh, come on. Oh, gosh. It does not want to come out because the box is so warped. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Now I'll put the box over there. 238-2, which I think was the name of the set on the back. 238W is what's on the set, but 238/2. We've got 4 whole cars in here. That's right, Benji. 4. Can you chirp 4 times whilst I'm talking? Go on. Go on. Go on. See, now he won't do it. I've told him to. Git. So let's start with the not car. There we go, 4 times he chirped whilst I was talking. It's a helicopter. Hello, Mr. Helicopter. It's Police Rescue Helicopter with the Rescue logo that's on the box. It's one of their pretty standard helicopters. I'm pretty sure that, ooh, that's stuck. Pretty sure, oh yeah, that's completely stuck. I don't know. No, I'm not even going to attempt to move that. That's just stuck. Pretty sure this is the same helicopter design that's in the airport set. I cannot be bothered to go and get it to find out. Quite cheap though. There's it's die cast. That's something with a nice. The plastic bubble is nice, but as you can see, there's nothing inside. There's just a bar. The pilot literally sits on this bar and controls the whole thing with his mind. Ooh, a bug! And then everybody died. That was great rescuing. You're going to need to be rescued. You go and sit on the NP1B. There we go. Then I'm going to sit the things on there. They're batteries. Now we've got what appears to be. Autofocus, there we go. It appears to be an ambulance, and rescue. Yeah. So let's do it at angles and get this ambulance out now. Oh gosh, come on. The New York City EMS ambulance that only focuses when I tell it to. Once again, the same rescue logo, lights on the top. New York EMS ambulance. It feels very, very cheap. as you would expect, plastic chrome, made in China. It's not even got a maker's mark on the bottom, although I can tell you almost certainly that these are Welly vehicles. I'm almost 100% certain these are Welly vehicles, and I have reason to believe that, which again I will show you shortly. It was a weird time before they shut the charity shops. Yeah, the charity shops were all shut, so now everything that I've got, I've just got to go through, and then I don't know what I'm going to do, because I can't afford to buy stuff off eBay all the time. Oh, gosh! But yeah, that's ambulance. It's cheap, and it's nasty, and I'm putting it over there. Well, I guess we know which one we're having next. Another ambulance. This one only has one light on the top. Where do they roll like? Not convincingly. They feel like the sort of thing that if you did that a couple of times, you bend the axles and destroy them. This one does, however, have an interior, which is nice. I think the ambulance... Does the ambulance have an interior? Can't tell. It's just got a dark blue plastic windscreen. The other ambulance. So we've got two types of ambulance. We've got the large box one. We've got the smaller kind of older type of ambulance that I don't think they really use these anymore. Rescue again. I mean, it's all right. Big shiny chrome base, no information on it. That terrible catch system for axles. As soon as that slips around there, it's done. Well, you know, it could be better, but it could definitely be worse. But it could definitely be better. It's got a green light on the top, though. You go over there where you can't be seen, and we'll be happy. And we'll do the last thing now, which is the rescue car. It's... well, I mean, they do have fast response units. This one actually has 5 pinwheels. I'm going to call them pinwheels now. It has 5 pinwheels, whereas the other ones have 4 pin, which is interesting. It's a very basic toy car chassis, however. Number 8, rescue. That printing on 8 looks really bad. It just, I don't know if it's coming out on camera, but the top bit of the O and the 8, they're just faded. These have been out of the box. I opened the box to have a look at them once about 3 weeks ago. I've had this set laying around for quite a long time now, just to make sure that there was nothing particularly wrong. Fast response car, yay! Doesn't look good, yay! So that is the Action Pack City team, made by Welly vehicles. But, of course, that is not all, because we still have a few more minutes left in the video. Because whilst I was going around the charity shop, these all appeared together. And I went through that box for about 25 minutes looking for the last one. That's not relevant, that's just another Welly thing, so we'll put that to one side for the moment. It is another rare paramedic rescue base set. And if we take these two, which I'm using as the main comparison, same size, almost the same body, not quite. There do appear to be very, very minor changes. Let me actually get this focused where we go. There we go. Very, very minor changes in regards to the way the front is shaped, the grille, the emergency services, etc., etc. But they are almost identical. The wheels are different. You see, this one's got, I think, what is that, 8, 10 pin. The casting is slightly different. These are Welly, and that's why I'm fairly convinced as the designs are almost identical. I'm pretty sure the plastic bit, besides its colouring, is identical. The catch system for the balloon suspension is the same as well. I'm pretty damn sure that all of these are made by Welly, or some form of Welly. Yes. Look, we got another one here. Again, this is just a nicer vehicle, larger windscreen. It does have an interior that I can see. Ambulance, the emergency services. Doesn't say rescue, but emergency services. Got Welly written on the bottom again. Terrible suspension catch system. There we go. Here's an actual emergency car. If you had an emergency, which vehicle would you think would come and save you? Would it be the one that had actual lights on it? Yes, it would. 4-pin wheel system rather than the 8 pins that we've been using here. Made in China by Welly. Yep, much nicer car. Interior feels better. Emergency services. Obviously, these have been played with. These are from charity shops. The other one came off eBay, but these are from charity shops. And then this just happened to be in there and well, and it's obviously not from the same set, but it is a Welly. You know, it is Welly, so I thought I'd buy it as a comparison, because, 4 to 4. Yeah, but it's just nicer. They're just nicer. So, yeah, that's the end of the video. Yay, we've got the Welly rescue system and the Welly toilet disposal system, and the probably Welly but not under the Welly name rescue system and helicopter with nowhere for the pilot to sit. That won't sit on top of the ambulance or anything. There we go. That's how you do a YouTube video. If you like the content of looking at these not many toy cars, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay safe during this coronavirus. That's me demonetized, not that I was ever monetized. Stay safe during this coronavirus outbreak. Please stay in your homes. I'm counted as a key worker and I have to go out every single day. The amount of people that are out and about being bally morons is rather disparaging. So please, stay safe, stay home. Don't forget to tell me what you think. Do you think that these are wellies as well? I do. I'm pretty convinced these are wellies, but do you think differently? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you, all going well, next week. Unless I catch coronavirus and die, which in that case... yeah.